Imagine a laptop that harmoniously marries style with functionality. A laptop that doesn't just meet your expectations but surpasses them. This is not a figment of your imagination. This is the reality of the HP Envy X360. The HP Envy X360 is more than just a laptop. It's a tool that aids productivity, creativity, and versatility. Its sleek design, coupled with its nightfall black color, gives it a unique, sophisticated look that's sure to turn heads. But don't be fooled by its appearance. This laptop not only looks good but also packs a punch with its performance. One of the standout features of the HP Envy X360 is its powerful AMD Ryzen 5 processor. This processor ensures that you can multitask without experiencing any lag, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Whether you're working on multiple spreadsheets or editing a video, the AMD Ryzen 5 processor can handle it all with ease. The HP Envy X360 also boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display. This touchscreen offers vibrant, crisp visuals, making it perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or even just browsing the web. And the fact that it's a touchscreen adds an extra layer of convenience, giving you the freedom to interact with your laptop in a way that feels natural and intuitive. In the world of laptops, battery life is king, and the HP Envy X360 doesn't disappoint in this department. It offers up to 11 hours of battery life, allowing you to work, play, or stream for extended periods without worrying about finding a power outlet. A key feature that sets the HP Envy X360 apart from other laptops is its 360-degree hinge. This hinge allows you to use the laptop in various modes, including tent mode for watching movies, tablet mode for drawing or taking notes, and laptop mode for typing and browsing. This flexibility makes the HP Envy X360 a versatile tool that can adapt to your needs. But the features don't stop there. The HP Envy X360 also comes with a backlit keyboard, perfect for those late-night working sessions, and a high-quality Bang & Olufsen audio system that delivers clear, immersive sound. To summarize, the HP Envy X360 is a stylish, versatile, and high-performing laptop. It offers a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 processor, a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display, long battery life, a 360-degree hinge, a backlit keyboard, and high-quality audio. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, the HP Envy X360 is designed to elevate your computing experience. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the power, versatility, and sophistication of the HP Envy X360 for yourself. Check out the link in the description below to buy.